Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are doing our late August Beauteque unboxing. Beauteque is a Korean monthly beauty subscription box. It usually comes with skincare, sometimes a little bit of makeup. I pay for it myself. It's not PR or anything. But before I forget, I've been meaning to mention this for a while now. If anybody who subscribes to this box has this from a past box but hasn't used it and doesn't want it, I will buy this from you. It came in a little like container, like a little plastic square container, and it had these little pods in it. And it's the cleansing powder pods from Sky Lake. If you don't want this, I will buy this container off of you. I can't find it anywhere online. Beauteque doesn't sell it anymore on their website. They did, but I guess once they sold out of it, they don't restock it. If you have this from past boxes, I think it comes in like a pack of like 15 or something, I will buy it from you. Message me either down below in the comments, or I always leave my email address in the description box. Contact me, I will buy this container of these cleansing powders from you. All right, and now on to August. These always come super late in the month. This month, because Labor Day was here, it came a little extra late. So as per usual, I have no idea what's in here, but this is exciting. The theme for this month is hashtag plant-based, which I'm liking the sound of that already. And everything is always nicely packaged. Oh, I see a little mini brush, which I will use for loose hair. And this retails for $6. And it's got a little kind of cactus on the back. Roxy, what are you doing? All right, the next thing in here is, oh good. I thought it was another thing of friggin' aloe. This is the Skin Pastel or Pastel Clarifying Cleanser with aloe vera, and it's a soothing cleansing foam. This retails for $6.99. Soft, rich cleansing foam efficiently removes dirt and pores. Aloe vera extract is known for soothing and moisturizing properties, which makes skin soft and smooth. It's a cleanser. Wonderful. It is sealed. I can't smell anything, and I'll leave it sealed until I'm ready to use it. Ugh, another one of these friggin' foot masks. I won't use this, although it's tea tree. Maybe I'll use it. It's a tea tree moisture foot mask. It's one of those ones that like sloughs off all the dead skin off your feet. Ugh, all right, it's post-summer. Maybe I'll use it. I know I'm such a butt when it comes to those things, but whatever. Okay, the next is from Essence. This is from Maison. Oh, what's that other word? Anyway, this is the Tea Tree Talk Blemish Spot Treatment. This retails for $18. It looks like it's gonna be like a roller. Oh yeah. Oh no. No, but I can smell tea tree already. Okay, so it's like a little tube that you squeeze, and it's like a clear gel, and it's a spot treatment. This Blemish Spot Treatment Gel is formulated with 15% tea tree extract, which is known for its calming and protecting abilities. It's also antibacterial. The gel creates a thin layer on top of blemishes to protect the skin from harmful stressors, creating a healing environment for the skin. Apply a dot to your targeted blemish at the end of your skincare routine. Leave it on for the whole day or night if using the morning, or overnight if using at night. Okay, I'll definitely try this. I'm always looking for a good spot treatment if I need one. This is the green tea peeling gel. So these are something that you like put on your face and then you kind of rub, and it like, remember putting glue on your hands and going like this and peeling it off your skin and it like falls up? It's like that. So this is the Esfolio Green Tea Peeling Gel. This retails for $8. This Esfolio Peeling Gel features green tea extract which boosts elasticity as it tones and conditions. The exfoliator helps gently remove dead skin cells and pore clogging dirt for soft, silky, clearer skin. Green tea is an ingredient filled with vitamins, which makes skin clear and elastic. Okay, the directions aren't right. So after cleansing, massage entire face and then rinse after you're done massaging it and the peeling starts, and then you rinse it off. These directions weren't completely clear. All right, so I'll definitely try that. And the last thing in here is a toner, and this is the Cactus Toner. And actually, I always complain about getting like aloe vera gel in here, but actually I've actually gotten cactus gel in place of aloe in here before, and it has the same kind of effects as aloe vera does. And this is a cactus toner. And let's see, I'm actually just gonna read right off of this. Cactus, a storage full of moisture which can grow strongly in deserts because it contains such abundance of moisture. It makes the skin moisturizing by taking care of the inner dryness of the skin with its abundant cactus extract. It has exfoliating properties, good ingredients, and acidulous pH formula. Acidulous pH similar to the skin acidity balances the oil and moisture level of the skin and keeps skin healthy. 9 free system, so 6 kinds of paraben, benzoyl peroxide, chlor something, and something else. So I think it doesn't have any of those things in it. There's no alcohol, there's none of that stuff. The ingredients, it doesn't say anything about alcohol. So I think it means it's free of parabens, alcohol, and then a few other words I can't pronounce. I'll read what it says on here. This 3-in-1 toner cleanses, exfoliates, and moisturizes the skin, leaving it feeling and looking flawless. This Cactus Toner is made with 13 essential green grade ingredients, 87% being made of cactus instead of water. Oh, that's cool. Apply after cleansing. All the ingredients are EWG verified. There's no parabens, artificial fragrances, or benzophenones in the toner. I don't know what that means. But okay, all good ingredients, no bad stuff. Sounds good. So yeah, that was actually a really good box. The only thing that I'm like about is the foot mask, and oh, maybe I'll just fucking shut up and use it. I'm gonna use it today actually. When I take all my makeup off today, I'm gonna use it. I'm just gonna shut up and use it. Great. Good box, good end of summer box. I think that was it. Let me know what you guys thought of your boxes this month, and again, if anybody has their container or any left of these cleansing powders from Skylake, contact me. I'm not asking you to send them to me for free. I will pay you for them. I'll pay you like what they're worth. I'm not gonna pay you like $50 for these things, but if you don't want them or you don't use them, I will gladly pay you for them and have you send them to me. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.